In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and configure a course on Whop, the online platform for delivering and managing digital content. We'll go through each step in detail to ensure you have a smooth experience in creating your course. First things first, open your web browser and navigate to whop.com. Once you're there, head over to the dashboard by clicking on the Dashboard option. On this page, you'll notice a section labeled Your Whops. This is where your current projects are listed, and it's where we'll be making some additions today. Now, to get started with adding a course, click on the Whop project to which you want to add your course. Take a look at the left-hand side of your screen where you'll find a menu. Select Add App from this menu. Doing so will bring up a section where you can see various course options. Click Add to move forward with setting up your desired course. Once you've done that, click Begin Setup. At this point, the platform might take some time to load the necessary elements, so hang tight and be patient. When it's ready, you'll see an option to Create your course now. Go ahead and click it to proceed to the course creation section. Next, you'll want to think about the title of your course. What is the main topic or goal? For example, I'm going to title mine Earn Money on Social Media. Once you've settled on a great title, click Continue. The next step is all about the course description. This is your chance to tell your potential learners what they can expect and why they should care about your course. Write down as much detail as you need to convey the essence and benefits of your course. When you've crafted your description, click Continue to proceed. Now, you're ready to dive into the nitty-gritty of building your course in Whop. Edit and organize your content as needed, starting with Chapter 1 all the way through to Lesson 3. If you wish to add more lessons or chapters, you're free to do so by clicking the relevant buttons to expand your course content. When you click on a lesson, you'll see the option to upload your files. You should always click Upload Video to include your video lessons, and if you have any additional files to attach, you can do that too. It's straightforward. After you've ensured all the necessary information is included, head back to the Courses section for a quick overview. From here, click on Configure Courses to make any final adjustments. You can even upload an image to give your course a polished look. Feel free to select an image that best represents your course content. Once everything is set, your course will be available, and anyone on Whop can begin learning what you have to offer. With these steps completed, your course is now live and ready to make an impact.